Well, guys, hi, bye. Yeah, sorry. This is a series finale. For a while, at least. I'll miss you. Seriously, a ton. I mean that. We've been through so much together. If anybody told me when we started this class that honestly any of this was gonna happen, I wouldn't have believed them. I never dreamed I would ever be building cloud-based apps and databases, or be working with a startup in Silicon Valley. Seriously? I mean, for Pete's sake, you know me. Marketing major, barely a 3 or... Okay, that's even stretching it if we're being totally honest here. Zero tech skills, no coding, even now, or even any interest in business tech stuff back then. We only took this class because they made us, right? So I sure never in a million years thought I'd be showing and telling what I was working on and that anybody would actually be into it and following along and learning this stuff with me. And wind up saying it's what got you this or that interview and sometimes what got you your job? Thank you so much for commenting about everything that's been happening. I can't even believe it. But here it is. Graduation's next week and now it's happened to me too. I put this link on my resume and someone actually went and looked at it, and now I'm set to join one of the big four for my real job, similar to the stuff I've been showing you I did at Riley's startup, but for actual salary now, serious salary, plus some pretty sweet extras. It's with this consulting team. They analyze clients' business processes and help them figure out how to improve stuff by integrating certain types of tech. And here's the thing. A lot of the time, they're helping them with Salesforce since a ton of companies have it already, and as you've seen for yourself, if you've been doing the steps with me, you can use it to build just about any data and app you want and connect all different people in different roles and departments across a whole company, that whole enterprise deal. So it's perfect for these kinds of projects and knowing how to make stuff with it, not just be a user. Definitely got me noticed. But my new boss, Reagan, told me something. Having Salesforce on my resume definitely caught her eye at first, but where she really saw my value add was when she checked out all the stuff I did here with you guys, and she saw the parts where I was telling you what I was thinking as I was figuring out what the app should do and sussing out how to make it happen in Salesforce. Like the stuff between the steps. If you followed those parts too, not just the steps, then you got the hang of it. Whether it's Salesforce or whatever, you get how tech can help and you can come up with ideas for where and how. And according to Reagan, that's innovating and it's super valuable for excelling on her team, obviously, but she says also in any job. Finance, marketing, ops, HR, whatever. You'll be able to figure out how the IT guys can help you do your work better, faster, and smarter. You could even build whatever yourself, if you need to, as long as you've got something like Salesforce where you can do it all with clicks, instead of having to code. Heck, my mom could do this stuff. But, well, there would be some other challenges there, so let's cut that out in post, as they say. But you guys, seriously, you made this semester for me. I will never forget you. I know it felt like the Titanic movie sometimes, but it was not totally tragic and unfun, right? Like the movie, but with enough lifeboats for everybody. Your head will go on, promise. Now we have to row our ways to whatever's next, but at least we've got some extra strength brain power for it. Learnings lead to earnings. Just no icebergs, please. Maybe I'll start this up again someday, but you have your own stories going now, and maybe you'll tell them to people and they'll follow along and get some handy takeaways for their stories too. As for me, more to come. Someday. Maybe. For now, this is Max Flanagan, signing off.